Alright, today we'll be doing the hands-on for fuzzy string matching. Today we'll compare text values that are similar but not identical. Now your question might be, why do we require it or what is the use case of it? So the use case of fuzzy string matching is it's helpful for data cleansing, deduplication, and matching records. So let's begin with our today's tutorial. We'll begin with the edit distance first, where we'll be first ingesting some dummy values. Let's begin with it. Alright, first we'll be creating one table name customer names. Then we'll be inserting some values here. Let's run everything at once. And here our table got populated and we can see here the names John, right? It will look almost similar. So that's how we'll be beginning with today. So this will give us enough variation to test edit distance and similarity function. Let's begin with edit distance first. So edit distance basically calculates if we run, so it basically calculates the number of single character edits, insert, delete, or substitute required to transform one string to another. So our string is John. If we focus here between John, John, if I remove the H, it will become John, Jon, which is our left hand string, right? So we just require one modification here. Same goes for Ghon. If I remove this H, it will become Gon, what we require. And the most number of edits will be required for Jonathan, because mostly it's a kind of insert. So this will be like we need to insert A, T, H, A, N, which is 5 letters. That's why distance is 5. I hope you got the concept. Let's now move on to our next concept. And before moving, I'll just mention one more point. That is, here, the lower the value, that is the distance, the lower, that is 0, it means the closer the matches. For example, for if you focus on here, John, it's exactly what we are searching, right? So no modification required, distance is 0. Opposite goes for Jonathan. Here 5 number of basically insert is required, 5 characters. That's why it's 5. So the number is large. So Jonathan definitely is larger. So now let's move on to our next concept, which is edit distance similarity. So let's first run it. I'll explain it. So basically, if we look at the data, the function normalizes the edit distance into a similarity score between 0 to 100, I can see, because 100 means it's kind of, think of it like a percentage. Gon is 100% same as Gon. For Gon it's 75, and again Ghon it's 75. So this is quite easy to understand because it's kind of, I'll say, percentage basis. But in some concept, the edit distance similarity is also measured between 0 and 1, which is again nothing but the percentage. 0.75 means 75%, and 1 means 1 into 100, that is 100% for John. So in some concepts, edit distance can also be measured in 0 and 1, but here it's kind of 100%, which is easy to remember. Now let's move on to our next concept, which is Jarrow-Winkler distance, or GW distance we call it. Now let's first run the Jarrow-Winkler distance, and now let's understand what this is. So basically, Jarrow-Winkler function, or the Jarrow-Winkler distance, is more advanced. It considers the transpositions and common prefixes, making it better for short strings like names. So its Gyro-Winkler distance gives better results for if someone has done some kind of typos and swapped characters. Example like for John and all, if you look here, so the number will be higher here. Now, how about comparing all the three what we have learned? The fuzzy string matching, that is edit distance similarity, and Gyro Winkler distance. Let's run it. We'll be comparing now everything in one go. And we have taken some names here, and we can see how the edit distance similarity, how edit distance interprets, and how JW score interprets. So these are the basic difference between them. So wrapping up today's concept for fuzzy string matching, we have implemented edit distance today, edit distance similarity, and Gyro Winkler distance as well. So with the use case as well we have seen. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.